It has only been within recent years that we have been able to learn what tremendous outrages have been practiced in the name of parole, what wholesale opening of cell doors has transpired, what abortions of justice have been carried out by these high priests of sentimentality, who open the prison doors to murderers, thieves, outlaws, and sex criminals, that they might again descend upon the honest citizen to rob and beat and kidnap and murder. We must not for a moment lose sight of our goal, to teach the criminal that regardless of his subterfuges, his squirming, his twisting and slimy wriggling, he cannot escape the one inexorable rule of law enforcement: you can't get away with it.